Retirees are unusually hard to find with modern tools. They often have no mortgage, no active credit, no employment record, and no social media. So the consumer databases that work on younger subjects return almost nothing. But if they worked a union job or earned a pension, there is an organization that has been mailing them a check and has every reason to know exactly where they are. Start with the international or local union, which maintains member and retiree rosters and often publishes a newsletter with a member directory. Pension funds and their administrators keep current addresses because benefit payments depend on it, and while they will not hand that address to you, many will forward correspondence. The Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation maintains a searchable directory of unclaimed pensions that names individuals directly. Employer-retiree associations are another route. Our research team works these channels for families, estates, and benefit administrators trying to reach someone. If this kind of practical detail is useful, please like this video and subscribe. Order at PeopleLocator, skiptracing.com.